Hello everyone, my name is Entomolojaunts. Firstly, I'd like to apologise for the poor audio. I'm currently using the microphone on my camera because I left my microphone at home, because of course I did. But anyways, I was just out on a walk and I saw this yellow dung fly. While not particularly interesting in itself, I did notice that it was trying to hunt some tiny wasps that were flying about. I just wanted to see if I'd be able to catch that on camera. Where'd you go? There you are. No. So I'm pretty sure this guy, oh, I think he's caught something. Yeah, he has. Come on, there you are. Pretty sure this guy is a male because he is very hairy and yellow, whereas the females are a bit more brown and less hairy. Let's see if I can get some macro shots of him eating. That might be quite fun. Here he is a bit more close up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's got one of those wasps. Don't mind me, keep going. Wait, 4K mode. He flew away. I was changing it to 4K and he flew away. That's okay. I mean, oh well. I'll film these little bugs here then. It's a species of Altica in the family Chrysomelidae. I'm not sure which because they're quite hard to tell apart without genital dissection, which I don't know how to do. I don't think you're meant to be doing that. You are the wrong species. There's loads of them. If you have a look at these leaves here and how they've been like chewed apart, that'll be because of all these like tiny beetles. Tiny beetles such as this one here. And this one here. I think I'll start recording some bits of my walks now, because my friend, big up David King Wildlife on YouTube, go check out their channel. Very interesting content, wildlife documentary type stuff. It's very entertaining. They've actually given me a GoPro just for free, so that's very cool. Stupidly, I did buy a GoPro mount. However, I sent it to my university address and not my current home address, so I currently don't have access to that. So, whoopsies. I wanted to like attach it to my net or something, my butterfly net, because I think that would be quite cool. As a 20-something spot ladybird. Oh, there's loads. There's one, and there's another. They're quite common, actually. You are, but I saw you earlier in a different spot and then you fell off and then I didn't get a photo of you, so I'm just going to do that real quick. You're not going to believe this. That beetle that I just stopped filming to take a photo of flew away before I could get a photo of it.
That's so funny. I wish every insect could do that.
Oh wait, they basically already do. Look how many beetles there are here. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got more here, and then you got 2 more here, and then you got another 2 here, and you got 1 here, and then you got this one. You got these 2. You've got this one, you've got this, there was 2 there, no, well, that's gone. You got that boy, you got 1 here. I don't know how many there's. I'm gonna have a real fun time counting this later. Oh, more beetle. Oh, different ones. Excuse me. These are Anthocorus quadrimaculatum, I think. It's Anthocorus something, but they are, I think, like ant-like flower beetles, Anthocoridae. They're quite fun. Take a photo of those. If you would like more videos like this where I just film the wildlife whilst out on my walk, let me know, because it's quite fun. I like looking at them, especially in 4K. Yippee. Will I remember to edit this video in 4K in Premiere Pro? Who knows? Will this video be 4K when it goes up? Who knows? Will I continue this series? You knows. Let me knows. Cheerios. Update. There was another one of those beetles that left me. And I caught it, and I think it's a species of Bembidion in the family Carabidae. I might be wrong. I'm hoping it'll stay still so I can get a photo of it so I can identify it. But currently, he's just running around in circles in this little vial. Oh, come on. Come down here. Okay, I'll see if I can... Oh. Okay. Oh, that's fun. Little wingies. Definitely a carabid. Okay, I'll see if I can get a photo. I got sufficient photos for ID. And here he is running about. Oh, that's even better than my photos. Wowie. Almost certain it's a Bembidion species, but not entirely sure. Anyway, bye, maybe, I don't know, I might find something again and film it. Where'd you go? Oh, he's gone forever. Okay. Toodaloo.